Hello, ladies and gents. It's your girl, LaceMeLemon, coming at y'all with another hair video. Yes, because y'all love these, and I love y'all. But again, I want to thank everyone for, like I always do, start at the beginning. I want to thank y'all for watching. I want to thank you for clicking this video. I want to thank you in advance for letting these ads run while you're watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that like and hit the subscribe button for your girl. But today you're watching a video on a frontal wig install, as stated in the title. This color, we just came up with this color like right off the back of my hand. I was like, I wanted to do a lemon color, but then I was like, no, I think I'm gonna just do pink, because Sally's is always out or something. Oh, they kill me. And I didn't have time to order any other colors, and I didn't want to use a door or kiss or nothing. So I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna just use, I think it's Arca Fox. I think that's the name. I probably done butcher the whole name, you guys, but I'm going to leave it in the description box below. The color was a Paradise Sunset, I believe. I know it was Paradise something. And it came out very, very, very beautiful. I hand painted it on because I really like to hand paint my colors on now instead of water dye, because it's more vibrant, you know. Water dye like dilutes that color in a sense, water dyeing the hair. But same steps that we do in every other video. First, you're going to start with the ball cap method. Go ahead and take you some lace glue and trace around their hairline. As you can see, she has a what I call a low hairline. I started my clients with, you know, holding their caps like this. I prefer that anyway because it stretches the cap out. But you guys, when you put that lace glue down, be sure to go ahead and blow dry it. Make sure you blow dry it in place. So at this point, I'm just going ahead and I'm cutting that excess cap off. When I do this part, you guys, I like to turn my scissors sideways because I don't want to cut my client. So make sure you're doing that, because you do not want to cut nobody. And I've been there, done that. That's the thing about doing hair, you know. It's like it's a process, you know. It really is. You learn a lot every day. I learn new stuff every day. So if you are a stylist and you feel like you're not getting it down pat, or oh, I want to rush and get it, or don't rush yourself. Do not rush yourself, baby. Take your time on these installs. If they're booking and they got somewhere to be, tell them don't book you because you like to take your time and you want to perfect your work. Your clients will be more comfortable with you when you keep it real with them. Like, just keep it real. So at this point, I'm going to just go ahead and fit my wig to my client's head. As you can see, I already went and cut the lace off of the wig. I just cut towards up to the hairline. I don't cut any specific way. And I like to pluck. Now I like to pluck while they're holding it. And I do this because it's just better for me. I can really see where I'm going or what's going on or what I need to cut off or whatever like that. So I do a little bit of plucking on my kneecap. Sometimes, you know, I just put it on my knee and then pluck a little bit. And then on my client's head, I do the rest. So as you can see, I'm basically now just customizing that hairline, knowing how I want to pluck it or knowing where I want whatever thin at. So this hair that's left out in the front, that's what I'm going to cut off. And people with a low hairline, this is what you have to know. You do not just put that wig slap on their head and glue it like that. No, it's going to be a lot of excess. As you can see, I'm about to start cutting that excess lace off. See how much lace that was that I cut off? It's going to be a lot of excess lace with a person with a low hairline. Point blank, period. That's why a lot of people do the nair. I don't, because it's just like the same thing as cutting to me, and I customize on their head anyway. So and right now I'm just going to go ahead, and I think I have the clip at this point of doing the process of cleaning the hairline. You already know you use your alcohol, you use your skin protectant. Make sure you get skin protectant, you guys. Use your skin protectant, use your alcohol. Now I'm just going to go ahead, and I went and put that Ruby Kisses level 12 foundation on the back of her lace, just like I did on the front of her ball cap. And I'm just going to go ahead and continue to press that into the lace. So yeah, low hairlines, just get a 13 by 6 versus a 13 by 4 anyway, you guys, because 13 by 4 and they lower hair, if their hairline is really low, oh my god, I'm just messing up all my words. If their hairline is really low, what's going to happen is the parting space is not going to be as deep. It's going to get smaller, 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 and smaller. So just go ahead and get a 13 by 6. So I'm not going to talk y'all head off no more. Not for long more. I'm going to just go ahead and let y'all watch this part because it's very repetitive anyway. Just gluing the lace down. I'm going to do a very detailed videos, you guys. I just be so busy. I really want to take off with my YouTube stuff. So I'm going to do a very detailed video, and we've reached 1K, you guys. Yes, we have. Yes, we have. So look out for a giveaway. I just love you guys. Thank you so much. And we are monetized now. So those ads does count. You watching them. Yeah, those little ads that pop up. Baby, just watch them for us. Thank you. Watch them for us. But anyway, it's been a long process. But I'm grateful. I'm trusting the process. I love it. But anyway, just go ahead and place your glue. Make sure you're thinning that glue out. Make sure you are spreading it out good. You don't want no clumpy glue. No, baby, no, you don't. But if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, because I see you just sitting here watching, enjoying. Like, just hit the subscribe button already. But you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch the rest of this, and I will be back. I'm back, y'all. So at this point, I'm gonna just go ahead and glue down the sides. And I was picking at a piece of hair. You want to make sure you get that hair out. If you see hair stuck in your glue, make sure you get it out, because I feel like that affects how long the glue really lasts anyway. So you don't want any little entrapments in your glue. Like, it ain't gonna stick that good anyway. So just make sure you are taking your time. Like I said, it's about what? Taking your time. Do not rush this process, sweetie. Take your time. You know, when you're rushing, you make a lot of mistakes. So take your time. The speed will come naturally after a while, because you know what you're doing. You can speed up. Maybe you can go ahead and do the thing. But for now, beginners, take your time. You don't want to be playing in nobody's head, messing nobody's head up or whatever. But this is my best friend, so I've been messing her up from day one. When I was trying, you got to get one of those friends that let you. If you have friends, they should not mind letting you, progress, like letting you do your work on them or whatever, whether you're doing nails, massages, or whatever. They should be able to critique you. They should be your number one customers. They should be. And if they aren't, then I don't know. I feel like, unless there's some serious stuff going on, I got a little problem with that. I don't know, They're not obligated to support, but at the end of the day, as your friend and your family, it's like, hey, why you don't want to see me win? I shouldn't have to go on, you shouldn't have to be asking for models or nothing 24/7 if you got a lot of family, if you got a lot of friends, They should want to see you win. They should be at the front door saying, hey, LaceMeLemon, let me be in your next YouTube video. Hey, whatever, Lace whoever, let me be in your next YouTube video. I see you ain't did one yet. I want to be in it. They should be doing that. Like, for real. They should be doing that. And if they ain't, then side eye. We'll get into that later, because you guys, I'm going to do more videos with y'all. And I'm going to do a little bit about me too. I'm going to do about me, because people be asking me about me, and I never do about me videos. So I'm going to just give y'all a little insight on who you follow in my life or whatever. I'm going to do one video about that, because this thing is all about, this YouTube channel here is all about here. But, I'm running this, so I am going to do a little about me. So as you can see, I'm going to just go ahead and push that lace down. Down. Press it. I like to press mine, baby. Press it. I got this from Hair Diagram about pressing it into place. It gets rid of those, little grits. I'm just giving y'all all the tea today. I surely am, baby. Each one teach one. We all gonna win. Yes, we are. So I'm going to just go ahead and, like I said, push that in and cut off those ear tabs. Make sure you're cutting off those ear tabs before you go to the other side. Please make sure you're doing that, because by the time you come back around, after you finish gluing the other side, because I glue in sections. I ain't that damn good yet. I like to glue in sections. I cut off those ear tabs because I want to go ahead and press that press that lace into that glue that's on the ear tab. Ooh, words all messing up again, you guys. I don't know why I be whatever. That's what I'm saying though. But anyway, I'ma just press it down. Continue to press it and look at that, like, oh my God, like, wow. I am so shocked. Like, I'm just seeing this. Like, I'm looking at this video with y'all like, oh my God, this is my first time seeing this. But as you can see right now, I'm just going ahead and plucking a little more. You want to be very gentle with this because you don't want to disturb the glue too much. So I would just pluck that a little more, thin it out in areas that I want to thin it out in. Like I said, with color here, you want to really, really, really pay attention to where you're plucking. Really pay attention to it. But you guys, I'm going ahead and let you watch this, and I will be back, honey. So as you can see now, you guys, we are into the styling process. We decided to just do a middle part with a little long blunt cut, and at this point I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap the elastic band around the hairline. That gives it the melt. Make sure that you're wrapping it around that lace, you guys. Make sure you get all that lace. So we're gonna start flat ironing the hair, hot combing everything, just getting everything super flat like I want it. And this is just about the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for the finished look, because you guys are gonna love it. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below on what you guys want to see, what other tutorials you want to see, because I have a lot coming, but I need some ideas, you guys. So you can see she already was feeling herself, and we ain't even took the band off yet. But yeah, I loved this look. This was so cute. This was new for me, and I actually loved it. Like, yeah, look at it, y'all. That is nice. Next time I could plug more too, like thin it out more, but this is my first time, like I said, with a color install. So basically I'm just critiquing myself while I'm watching with y'all. Like, I could pluck a little bit more, but it's nice. It's nice as hell. I like that now. But as you can see right now, I'm just cleaning it up. You guys, take your time with your installs. Make sure you clean it up. Don't just send people out there with glue everywhere and hair sticking on to places it shouldn't be. Take your time. But thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the end. I enjoyed speaking to you. I know y'all enjoy hearing my voice. But anyway, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below. I want to engage with you guys more. So if you got any questions, just leave them below. Leave your comments below. Let me know how you feel, what you're thinking, what you need help with, what you need me to elaborate more on. So thank you guys for watching again, and I will see you guys next time. Bow, girl, that is a slay, honey. Yes, I am loving this.